is always second statement. Yes is always divisible by 9. So this is definitely correct.
Second
Because
one is correct.
because this is my crush. I told you 3 and 9.
Hmm.
Whenever I get the two digit 3 and 9, it means ke 3 and 9 can divide that number whose sum is divisible by 9. Basically, so 9, 6, 15, 3, 18. And 18 is divisible by 9. It means this is definitely correct. But what about first one? Now tell. Now tell guys, this is challenge for you guys. If you can answer the question within 20 seconds. Because I have told you this way.
It is
Now I want
written
to
no
check.
always, so it won't be Manish. First one would be wrong.
Why? Why, Priya?
Mm.
Because it is always
Always.
so this is correct.
Because
See,
see,
9
it is
is
a
a
multiple
multiple
of
of 3.
nine. That
3.
divisible
No,
rule you put now you.
no, guys. This much is not easy actually. What you guys are thinking, na, ki always is wrong. Na, no. UPSC is
No,
also
no.
clever.
9 is a multiple of 3, Manish.
But
No.
74 is not.
But guys, here question is saying sum, na. See here, sum hai. Question is saying sum hai yaar. Ki you have to sum. How first you have to identify ki how many numbers can be there like that. Hmm. Out of these three digit, how many numbers can you form basically? Then you have to sum. Then that number should be resolved by 74 actually. This is what question
Hmm.
is saying, guys. Understand? That's why I said let's understand question carefully, na. Understand question carefully, basically. See, how many numbers will you make out of this number, na? That number will definitely be divisible by 9. Do you know why? Because either divide or plus or minus. That number has to be divided by 9. But I don't know about 74 actually. Now tell how to solve this. I want to check your creativity. And I think I have told you this, right? Okay, leave it. I understood. Now let me solve. See guys. See guys. These are the three number. 369. So guys, the question is saying obtain using three digit number which are multiple of three. So guys, I can make many number like that because there are three number. So I can make basically here because three. So I can make 6 out of these three number. You not understood, na? 396, 693, 639, 936. See, hmm, basically. So guys, now if you add all of them, so guys add all of them 9, 6, 15, 3, 18, 18, and 18, 18, 36, carry 3. So 36, 9, carry 3, 36, and this is the, because see, 9 is 2 times, 6 is 2 times, 3 is 2 times. So I have sum them. Now what is the sum?
3973996.
Hmm. Now you can see
399,
this number is
18,
again
19,
divisible by
19,
9. You can see
27. Hmm.
because this number has to be divided by 9. So guys, you know what? This number should be divided by 74, not this number. You guys have misunderstood. Question what saying? Yeah, let yes be the sum of them. So this number they're talking about actually. That's why I say guys, understand the question first. Now this is easy, guys. Now you divide this number by 74. Divide. So it will be completely divided. So this is also correct. You can check, guys. This is completely divided. So, guys, this is what I'm saying, guys. First, understand question, guys. If you don't understand the question, na, then I think, okay, no problem. Bhagya, tell.
Understand, Manish.
Bhagya,
Hmm.
could you join now once again? It is a echo. So I'm recording now. It will be echo in the recording.
Suppose that kid, all four students have gone from 21, then it can decrease also, na. So we can't say na कि see because see 17 is bad player and 21 is good player. So if suppose the good player has gone, then because they have said four students, whose four students I don't know actually. So if suppose that these good students have gone, all four good students have gone from A to B, then it will decrease, not increase actually. Yes. So always remember this thing. Now I will reverse it. Now Priyal, you answer this question. question. Suppose that four students are shifted from B to A.
Hmm.
Then tell this statement, Priyal.
The first,
Four students are shifted from B to A. Then tell this statement. Is right or wrong?
the average score of A will definitely right, Manish. See,
Why?
B will have a strong high score, and when you
Yes.
shift to A, it will
Yeah.
definitely increase.
So this is actually what you need to remember, guys. So guys, I'm saying, guys, that this question is not actually just a typical math, basically, just common sense. See, this question also common sense, and see, this is also common sense, basically. So this is what I'm saying, guys. That they are checking just your common sense, actually. If you use your mind, you will get actually. Okay. Read this question, Bhagya. Question number 8.
And there are two statements and question. Priya is four ranks below Seema and is 31st from bottom.
Hmm.
Ina is second ranks above Seema and 37th from the bottom.
Hmm.
What is the Seema rank from the top in the class 40 students?
Tell Bhagya what is the demand.
We have to tell na Seema's rank.
Yes. See, guys, you know what? Let me tell you first before solving this question. You know what? Some people will arrange a bigger program. I will not arrange a big program actually. See what I will do. What is Seema rank? Seema is a girl, right? And from the top in the class of 40 students. See, guys, one information they have already given in the question, guys. You know what? Some people out of a hurry, they will not read this statement carefully. They have already given 40 students. It means one information I have already got. Now, one information I need more. Then I will find out the answer. So, guys, let's see here. See, first we have to find out the Seema rank. So let's see if Seema is there or not in first statement. Seema is there. Okay. Now, Priya is four rank. Priya is four rank below Seema and 31st from the bottom. See, again I got one inspiration 31st. It means alone is sufficient. Now see again second. Seema is there. Yes, Seema is there. Now 37th. Yeah, two information I got. It means this alone. It means either
Fifty-seven,
statement are sufficient to answer the question. You guys have
hmm,
not understood, na? Now I will solve your traditional method.
30.
No, we understand,
See
Manish.
this.
We
See,
understand.
no, this is
See,
Manish's
from
style.
statement, I want
No,
now one question. We have to take out
tell.
Seema rank. Okay. From first
Hmm,
statement, you mean we know that Priya is fourth rank below Seema
hmm,
and it is 31st. So Seema will be
hmm.
35th rank, right?
See, Priya, I'm
Like
not
this,
solving
we
the
can.
question, Priyal. I'm
Hmm.
saying, see, in these types of question, we do not need to find out the exact answer. We
Hmm.
need to find out can the answer be given or not.
Possible or not. Hmm.
Yes, yes,
You will
answer
get
is
or
possible
not.
or not
Yeah,
actually.
we got it.
Now see, okay. Now see, okay. Let's try to solve it in just 1 minute. See, question is saying there are total 40 students. All right. Then Priya is fourth. Priya is four rank below Seema. Suppose that this is Seema and this is Priya, and there are three students. Then the Priya will be four. Because see, Priya is four rank below Seema, so Seema is here, Priya is here. So between three students, then Priya will be four. And 31st from the bottom. Who 31st for the bottom? Priya. Priya is 31st the bottom. It means that 30 students are below. So see, 30 is here, 1 is there. So 31, 31, 34, 35. 35 is there. Now 5 students are more here. So now we can find the Seema rank here. Sixth rank. Now see second statement. Ina is 2 rank above Seema. This is Seema and Ina is 2 rank. It means between one students is there. This is Seema actually. Now 31st from the bottom. Who is it? 31st from the bottom? Ina. So it means 1 and 2. It means 35 is there. Now 35, 34. Because 34, 35, 36, 37. And now see what Seema rank question is saying. So you can find not see 34 in below. So 34, 35, 37, 38. It means 2 is here. So what will Seema rank? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again we got 4 rank. Very good thing, guys. Na? See, I'm solving for your sake actually. But I have understood my questions. That either are sufficient actually. Bhagya,
Hmm.
tell.
Understand, Manish.
Real?
Yes, Manish, understand.
Hmm. If you understand, then answer this question now. Question number 9. Read, Priyal.
Each of A and D is heavier than each of B and E and F, and none of them is the heaviest.
Hmm.
So state
And statement two.
A is heavier than D, but is lighter than C. Who is the heaviest
Hmm.
among A, B, C, D, E?
Yes. Now Priyal, tell the demand first,
It is
because this is
asked
very
na
easy question. Hmm.
direct. We have to take out which one is the heaviest among A, B,
Heaviest,
C, D,
yes.
E. And
Who is the
possibility
heaviest?
we have to take out from
Hmm.
statement one. It is possible
See,
to take out the
see.
heaviest or not.
Yeah. Guys, you have time. 30 seconds. Can you answer this question?
Mhm.
This is very easy question actually. Beautiful.
From statement one, we
We
can get
can't.
answer. Why, Priyal?
See, each A and D is heavier than B, E, F. See, A is greater than B, E, F, and D is greater than B, E, F. But none of them is heaviest. But question is asked, who is
So
among the
out
heaviest?
C is not mentioned. So we can take out C as a heaviest because A and D are lighter than C.
But C is not there na, in the statement. That's why we can't take out
Statement
this one.
A and D are not a heaviest. They told na Priyal those are not heaviest, but they are heavier than B, E, F. Out of B, E, A and D are heavier.
No. Between them, we can't take out A, D, B, E, F, that who is the heaviest because none of them are. So
A
C is
is
left.
not heaviest. A is not heaviest. D is not
See
heaviest.
Heaviest.
guys.
B and
Now
E
guys,
are not
don't
heaviest.
Not
fight
heaviest.
guys.
Only
Don't
C left.
fight
So
guys.
that's why you're saying C is heaviest.
Now listen guys, don't fight. See, see, we will try to solve this. See, who is the heaviest among A, B, C, D, E? Okay.
She is also
Guys,
saying
you know what?
correct.
In these types of question, guys, first read the question. Don't read the statement, guys. I always say guys, because there's a confusion chance basically. So first read the question, who is the heaviest among A, B, C, D, E? We have five elements right now. Okay. Each of A and D is heavier than, so A and D both are heavier than B, E, and F. But among A and D, who is heavier? I don't know. But both A and D is heavier than B, E, F. Okay. But none of them is the heaviest. But guys, none of them is heaviest. So actually, this place is empty right now. Who is the heaviest? But guys, here there is no information about C. Now, some people can say, guys, listen carefully here. Now, some people can say, because we have only five elements A, B, C, D, E. So, if A is not heavier, B is not heavier, D is not heavier, and E is not heavier, so
Hmm.
C should be the answer. Guys, but what about F? Because F is not there, but here F is given. So, can we say that C must be there? I think I cannot say. Because we want a definite answer, guys. Here. So statement one alone is, according to me, not sufficient basically. Yes.
But it is very dicey. Na Bhagya said ki C is not there, but C can be. If C they are not
Yeah.
heaviest,
So
then
so
C
so
left out
so
is
so
heaviest.
Bhagya, so Priyal, this is what I'm saying, na? Can be, but
Can be.
definitely
No.
in these types of question, I want definitely answer. I told you guys earlier, in data sufficiency question, I want definitely answer. Because see, here they have added F also, but here there is no F. Yes, if there would have been F also, and they would have been said who is the heavier, then I would have marked C actually. But what about F? I don't know. I cannot say. Now let's read second statement. A is heavier than D. A is heavier than D. They have given actually. Okay. And but lighter than C. Lighter than C. Okay. See, but what about E and F? So this is also not sufficient. Now merge both of them. So see, guys. Now this is clear that
Hmm.
K,
Heavy.
C is heavier than D. Now C can be here. It means both are sufficient to answer the question actually. Now tell Bhagya, you tell. Tell.
Okay, Manish.
Oh, girl, this much easy. I will kill you. Hmm. Read this question, Bhagya.
Manish, A is greater than D and D is greater than C. We can directly say na A is the heaviest in statement two.
But Priyal, what about
Don't.
E?
What about E and
From statement 2, I'm not able to find E, na?
B also you can't
Hmm.
find.
See, guys, in these types of question, guys, one thing always remember, first all elements should be there. See, what I said here, Seema rank we have to find out, na? So first Seema is there or not, first check that, guys. That's why when I was reading the question, I said you guys, Seema is there or not. If Seema is not there, then I can say no, answer cannot be find out. So guys, be smart, guys, in this question, guys. See how Bhagya has got trapped actually. I know she is smart, but see, got trapped. So guys, this is what I'm saying, guys. Be careful and never take any question lightly, guys. Let me tell you. Hmm. Read this question, Bhagya. Question number 10.
In the English alphabet, the first four letters are written in opposite order, and the next four letters are written in opposite order, and so on. At the end of Y and Z are interchanged. What will be the fourth letter to the right of the 13th letter?
Hmm. Guys, you have again 30 seconds.
Manish,
Because you know what?
within 13. How can we do Manish within
First four
13
letters
seconds?
are written in the
This is
opposite
easy
order.
question, guys. Okay, solve. This
Okay.
is alphabet series, guys.
And the next four letters are written in the opposite order. A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
See, question is saying
H.
कि you write A to Z, right? Then mark them. Then you reverse first four letter, then first four letter, then first four letter, like that till Z actually. Then Y and Z interchange each other basically. Then you have to find out what is the fourth letter to the right of 13 letter, guys. See, you are thinking this is difficult, guys. This is not difficult actually. I will tell you
13th
one way.
letter. मतलब A
Yeah.
B C D one letter or whole 441.
See, Priyal, after reversal, you have to find 13 letter.
T,
Hmm. What?
T, B.
T. T. T for T. T for.
Hmm.
Okay, I
T.
understood. You're saying this poor girl, right?
Yes,
Hmm.
Manish.
Okay, let's try to find out what she said is right or wrong. See, guys,
Are you trying
question
real? Elaborate.
question is saying the first four letters are written in opposite order. So
Manish,
suppose
give me
that
na
ke,
minutes. 1 minute I can solve.
Priyal, now you can understand, Priyal. See, A, B, C, D are there, so they are reversing it like that. D, C, B, A. So it means they are doing like that first four letter. So it means que see, 4, 3 ja 12. It means que see 4 letter. It means que 12 letter will be what? A, B, C, D. It means que I think
T is the answer.
L. L will be the
Hmm.
last letter basically.
Got it.
Hmm.
Yes. Now guys, 13 letter will be what? M, N, O,
N O
P.
P.
So P will be 13 letter. Guys, P will be 13 letter, guys. Now 14 letter, now 13 letter and the right. So right will be what? This. So 13, 14, 15, 16. Now after P, see, now if you reverse, guys, after P, Q, R, S, T. So you reverse it T. So yeah, T will be the answer. C, H said right actually. Priyal, you understand?
Got it. Got it.
Hmm. So guys, you know what? This is guys, you make three prayers, so 12 is Yal actually. So now this line will start Yam Yan O P. So now P O N Yam you have to do, and this is 13 letter. Now fourth letter right. So 1, 2, 3, 4 letter will be what? T. Yes, this is what question is saying, guys. Be smart, guys. Don't arrange a bigger program. Yes. Hmm. Read this question, Priyal. Question 15.
7 books PQRSTUV are placed side by side. RQT
Hmm.
have blue covers, another have red
Hmm.
colors.
Hmm.
PQRSTUV. Okay, 7.
Priyal, read loudly.
RQT have blue covers, other have red covers.
Hmm.
Only S and U are new books and rest are old. PRS are law reports and the rest are gazetteers. Book of the old gazetteers with blue covers are.
Hmm. Still.
Hmm.
Tell PL demand first, tell.
Okay, see, RQT are placed side by side and they have blue covers
Hmm.
and other have red covers. So S and U have new books. And
Hmm.
PRS are law reports and other than
Hmm.
PRS, which is PRSQTUV, are old books with
Hmm.
old books. Okay.
So you have to find out this actually. Here is the catch. Books of old gadget with blue colors, blue covers. Yes.
Q
Hmm.
and T
But
minus C part.
how PL QNT?
First tell na answer correct or wrong.
See PL answer. I will solve PL. I don't know answer right now. Even I have to solve them.
See, directly
But
we
you tell
can take
how.
out na. It is given PRS or gazette's rest will be Q, T and U left. Q, T, U, V are left. Okay. And we have to find all gazetters with blue cover. So blue cover are this one, right? RQT1. So Q and T are the blue covers. So Q and T will be the old gazetters, right?
How PL you are telling? Tell again.
See, I will tell.
Hmm.
See, out
Hmm.
of PQ, all R, Q, T are blue covers, Manish.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Out of that, R is a law reporter.
Hmm. Q, T and
Hmm.
So
U, V.
remember, Q and T are in blue covers. R
Hmm.
is out of that law report. So remaining one is the gadget reports,
Huh.
gazetteers, books of old.
These
So
are
Q
the
and T, blue
out of
covers,
S
and
and U.
these are gazetteers.
Huh.
Hmm.
S and U are the new books. So U get eliminated here. Q and T left. So that's what Q and T.
See guys, here you know what? Here I will take the help of the options. See, question is saying books of old, gadget, and blue. So guys, blue colors we have to find out. So guys, blue is what? RQT. It means
Hmm.
this cannot be the answer because here is U, but here is only RQ and T. Now I want gadget. So now PRS cannot be the answer. PR. So R is there. So answer will be what?
Q
C.
and T. See.
And what I told in the beginning, okay, if a statement is difficult, go for the options. Hmm. Read this question, Bhagya. Guys, 4 questions are more. We will solve. Otherwise, then we will. Read this question.
Replace the incorrect term by the correct term in the given sequence.
Hmm.
Where 3, 2, 7, 4, 13, 10, 21, 18, 31, 28, 43, 40.
Hmm.
Where odd terms and even terms follow the same pattern.
Hmm. Guys, this is the question I have told. Can you tell answer?
2, 4, 10, 18. 2,
Even terms
10,
are following same pattern.
multiple. 4,
See, guys, question is saying
6.
odd. Question is saying odd basically.
Odd and even both, Manish.
Odd. So odd, 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 odd. Then even, even, even,
Mhm.
even, 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 even. So now see the guys difference. 3, 4 difference will is what? No, no, sorry, 3, 4 not. 3, 7 difference is what?
5,
4,
3,
4,
7, 4, 4.
4. Then 7 and 13,
6.
6.
6,
Then 13, 18, or
Thir-
21,
13 and
8.
21.
7.
And 21, 31, 10. So it
10.
will be 12. So same pattern should follow here also. So here, what is the difference?
2,
2. Here,
2,
6,
6. Here,
8,
8. Here,
10, 10,
10.
10,
10,
And here, 12.
12.
So
12.
guys, here 12, here 12, here 10, here 10, here 8, here 10, here 6, here 6. But here 4 and here 2, guys. So if I put a 0 instead of 2, so here difference will be 4. इसमें 2 will be replaced with 0 actually. Guys, understood?
Understand now.
Hmm. This is what question is saying. You see, they are following certain pattern, guys. Question is saying कि one term is incorrect basically. See, one term is incorrect, but here 2 is there. So 2, 4 difference is 2 only, but I want 4 difference. So if I will replace 2 with 0, so there will be 4 difference. Yes, common sense actually. This question. Read Priya this question 17.
Following is a matrix of certain entries. The entries follow a certain trend row-wise. Choose the missing entry.
Priya, why
7.
are you reading so less? So I mean slowly. Read loudly, na?
7B, 10A, 3C, 3C, 9B, 6A, 10A, 13C, question mark.
Hmm. Tell the demand what question is saying.
See, your matrix is given and it
Hmm.
is in the row wise, okay? We have to
Hmm.
follow, there is a trend.
So tell
So,
the answer.
3C,
We have to go
9B,
what? Row by. Row by means like that. Horizontal.
and horizontal.
See, they have given row wise, guys. I think there can be no answer easy there that in the entire market actually. See, 7, 3, 10, 3, 6, 9.
Mm,
So 10, 3, 13.
13.
Now A, C is there, so B. So 3B will be the answer. How easy? Easy answer. See, they have
See,
given we have to go row wise.
how
Yes,
you
Priyal, tell.
put A, it is, we can be put na B also, C also. This
Here,
one.
Priyal. Here A.
Acha, A,
Tell. Because here ABC, here ABC, so how should be here? This
13.
should be here.
Okay,
So
got it.
3B. Hmm. Read Bhagya this question.
Mm.
You are given two identical sequence in two rows.
Hmm.
What is the entry in the place of C for the sequence 2?
Now you guys tell this answer now. I have told this question exactly like that.
We should see for the sequence number 2. 8, 5, 6, 7, 6, 8, 2, 2, 6, 2, 6, 2, six.
See guys, when I told you in 2023 paper, when a series is increasing then decreasing, so it means there is a multiplication case. So tell me, 8 multi 8 8 if you multiply 8 into 0.5, then what will be the result?
4.
4,
Then you multiply 4 into 1.5, then what will be the result?
1.6. 6.
6,
6. Then you multiply 6 into 2.5, then what will be
2.5.
the result?
So we are 15 minutes.
15.
15. It means I got the pattern.
2.5.
0.5, 1.5, 2.5. So now you multiply 5 into 0.5. What is the result? 2.5.
2.5.
Now you multiply 2.5, 1.5. Then what will the result? Then again 2.5. So guys, this is common sense. This cannot be the answer. This cannot be the answer. This will be the answer. Because if
But
you multiply 2.5 into 1.5 into 2.5, you will get this answer. Common sense. Tell Priyal.
mm, see, Manish, one thing. You got na
Hmm.
here sequence to 5 here. How tell?
Now Bhagya will tell. Tell Bhagya.
Which one real?
You got na 5 in the sequence too.
Real 5 is given.
Sequence you are given. Given real.
Acha, from here
It
you
is
are doing 5 into 0.5 first and then
yes,
okay, got it.
5.
yes. Hmm. This is what I'm saying. See, guys, this the question I just know what I don't know why they ask actually. Hmm. Read this question, Bhagya. Question 19.
Done, man.
Person X. A
Two questions
person
are left,
X
guys.
from a place A and another person Y from place B set out the same time to walk towards each other. The places
Hmm.
are separated by a distance of 15 kilometers. X walks with uniform speed 1.5 kmph
Hmm.
and Y walks uniform speed 1 in the first
Hmm.
hour with a uniform speed of 1.5 km. Y walks uniform star with a
Hmm.
uniform speed of 1 in second hour with the uniform speed of 1.5 in the third hour and so on.
Hmm. So Bhagya, tell the demand
What
now.
is the each of the following? See, we have to tell a meeting point.
Hmm.
How much?
And tell what is given.
Like how much time? They
What is given?
have
Tell.
given speeds, Manish. Speeds
What is
Speed
speed is
of X and
scale.
Y.
Please.
See,
What is speed?
both are separated. Speed
Hmm.
means what, Manish? Uniform speed.
So
Both
tell.
are walking towards each other.
Hmm.
So X is walking with uniform speed 1.5 throughout the journey, but Y
Hmm.
walks per hour different speeds.
Hmm.
Let first hour 1 kmph, second hour to
It
1.25,
means
and
X
third
has
hour
uniform
1.5.
speed. It means X has throughout the journey uniform speed, but by change the speed.
Uniform speed.
First one, then 1.25, then 1.5 actually, and so on. Guys, now tell the answer. This is very easy question. I don't know why they asked this question. Tell.
1.5.
2 hours.
5 hours
Second
to
hour.
meet midway. Mm.
What happened, guys?
2 minutes, Manish.
Wait, Manish.
Guys, this question should not take more than 30 seconds. Let me tell you. Even I am understand this question. Still, you guys are taking 5 minutes. Then what is the use of my telling tale? In these types of question, guys, do not need to find out the whole answer. Let me tell you. You guys do again the same mistake. I'm telling. Question is saying they take 5 hours to meet. Okay. So now my duty is to prove this right or wrong. Common sense. So 5 hours to meet. Total journey is 15 kilometer. Okay. And here is A and here is B actually. Total journey is 15 kilometer. Now A speed because see both are coming to each other. It means speed will be added. Speed will be added. So tell
2.5.
me. So tell me 15 kilometer total distance and
Manish,
the speed
both
the speed of
uniform.
the speed of is what 1.5. So so it will take how much? How much?
6.
6 15 kilometers. So in 5 hours it
5
will go how
hours,
much?
7.5 km.
7.5. Now you take a B actually. So B 1 hour. Oh, see 1, then 1.25, then 1.50, then 1.75, then 2. So guys, this will become what?
7.5.
This
7.5.
will become 3, then 3 to 5, 6, and 7.5. So see 5 hours and they both meet in midway. Common sense, guys. Because see 1.25, 1.50, 1.75, and 2. You add all of them. You will get 7.5 only. Because 2 plus 1 3, and here it will 3 6, and 6 and 7.50. Common sense. So guys, don't see follow the procedure, guys. I'm telling again and again, guys. You guys follow the procedure. That's why it's taking time, guys. Even after making understand, you taking more than time. I think that is not good, guys. Guys, this is the last question. Solve this. Read this question, Priyank. Question 20.
A student appear in 6 papers, and the
Hmm.
maximum marks of the same for each paper. His marks in
Hmm.
these papers are proportioned 5 is to 6 is to 7 is to 8 is to 9 is to 10. Overall,
Hmm.
the score 60%. In how many papers
Hmm.
did he score less than 60% of the maximum marks?
Hmm.
6 papers are there, the maximum marks are
Hmm.
same. Of
Maximum marks are the same, guys. There is a catch.
same paper of each paper.
Hmm.
Same mark for each paper. His marks are 5, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Score. How many paper did he score? See, we have to take out now how many paper he scored less than
Hmm.
60%. Overall, his
Hmm.
total score is 60% from 5, 6,
Hmm.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Hmm. Still, guys. See now how many subjects he has got actually? Less than 60% actually question is saying.
Total are 6 subjects.
Hmm. You have to tell this actually. See, guys, this question is nothing actually. Suppose that I'm saying, I'm saying there are 100 marks and Bhagya has got 60% marks in all the subject. So it means what? Means 60% is the average. It means what? She has got 60% in every paper almost. If you understand this logic, you can answer this question actually. Very easy question. Yes. Bhagya, tell.
Manish.
What? What she's telling? Poor
No,
girl.
Manish.
No mayonnaise. No mayonnaise. Poor girl. See, guys, tell me what is the total? Count it.
45
45.
60.
Right?
upon
45.
6
And
average.
this, wait. 45 is, you know what? 45 is the hair they have got. And this is equal to
60.
60.
60%. 60% now. So now, guys, what will be 100%? Tell.
Into 100.
Guys,
60 by 45 into
75
100.
Manish.
tell me.
75.
Tell. 75.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Right? Now 75. It means 7.5. So 7.5 basically, you
7.
know what? If he is getting less than 7.5 means na, it means he's scoring less than 60%. So how many students are there? One, two, three. Common sense.
1. Oh,
Ask Bhagya. You ask. See,
No.
his overall score is what? 40, 45 basically, right? And the total score is what? 75.
mhm. How
So it means in
7.5?
how? So Priyal, here they are in the what? They are in the ratio now, so I divide by 10 actually because I'm counting at a 75 total marks. So it means कि what? 7.5 is per one subject. Means कि
Okay.
7.5 is 60% actually, basically. So less than 60% what will be? These three subject. Common sense, 5, 6, 7 actually. This is what you need to find out now, basically. For example, bet guys. You guys get afraid of ratio, I think. See, I'm saying, suppose that this poor girl Bhagya has got Hindi, English, physics, chemistry. She has got in Hindi 40, in English 60, in physics 50, and chemistry 30, right? And total there are basically 400 marks, right? Now I'm asking in how many subject she has got less than 50%. Now answer this question, guys. How many subject Bhagya has got less than 50%? Tell.
Hmm. 40 plus 40 plus 60.
Because see, there was in the ratio.
100.
Now I have removed the ratio.
180.
Now tell.
180. 400 into 100.
Marks you have given directly, Manish?
No, so, every subject carry 100 marks, and out of these you have got these marks.
Hmm.
In Hindi you got 40 marks. In English you got 60 marks. In physics you got 50 marks. In chemistry you
Manish,
got 30 marks. Hmm.
Then
she will get na in two
Then
subject less than
50.
50%.
Less than
in how many
50%
subject?
means
Two,
overall 50, Manish.
two.
Poor girl, not
Um,
overall. In how many subject? Not overall. I'm saying in subject, na. So how
Tell
are you finding overall?
Then two subjects.
two subjects. Tell
Two subject. See,
history and
40 and 30.
history
So
and
guys, you know what?
chemistry.
So here they have given the ratio. That's you are just trapped actually,
No, I
guys.
take out the ratio, but I got trapped in
Hmm.
7.51 minutes.
Hmm. So guys, this is big guys is smart and see, guys, you know what? Your duty should be, you know how to simplify the question, guys.